Okay, here we are at the 2018 Keystone Big Show here in Dallas, Texas. I'm with Ralph Ruzzi, the VP from Canada. Can you tell us a little bit about this beautiful project you're on, your Project K?
Absolutely, Billy. This is Project K. It's a 2018 F-150. Obviously, all the top-notch vendors are participating in this program. This will actually be given away to one of our jobber accounts in 2019 at our Super Show in Mississauga, Ontario. As you can see, it's equipped with some of your products. We truly appreciate your support with this very high-end product that we're showing on the vehicle. We did most of these installations ourselves. Sales folks learned how to put this stuff on at our training center in Mississauga, and it's just been a great success for us. So we're very appreciative of everything you're doing to support the Project K program.
Well, Ralph, I really appreciate letting Air Design be on this project. There's a lot of other vendors that have to get on it, but just to have the opportunity to be on it, it's a pleasure for us.
Great partnership.
Thank you.